Okay, so last time I did my shelves, we're gonna look at those and figure out what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I made all new labels for things that didn't have labels, things that already have labels. I just decided to change them all. Why not? So I'm gonna label this whole shelving system. I did make some labels for some of this stuff and for some stuff in my literacy area and my math area. My big thing today is I'm gonna add some bright paper trays here, and I'm gonna figure out what to do with these taller deep shelves and just see if there's a way I can get more stuff on those shelves organized. I have 2 boxes right here of some shelvy things that I'm gonna try. Okay, I came in today to do my writing center, but I got some other things done because it didn't take as long as I thought. And even though it's 465 degrees down here, and I'm in the basement, this should be cool. I just don't think I'm getting any AC down here. I'm gonna show you what else I got done because this is my happy place. Okay, I went home and I made labels. I'm gonna need to make more, but I put labels on everything on this shelf. And you know what else I did? I took pictures of every single shelf, cropped it in, and it's gonna go underneath the shelf and stick up underneath it with a piece of Velcro so you can come by, flip it down, and see where everything has to go. My room is the room where everyone comes to borrow everything, so yeah, I'm being a little crazy, but I think it'll pay off. Okay. I'm gonna take you down here to my block shelf. I changed a lot of things on here. I put some things in bigger bins, some things in smaller bins, and just organized things a little bit. But everything here is labeled too, and I'm happy with that. I've got a long way to go, but I'm happy with it. This is my dramatic play cleanup basket. Took that out of the back room. My block center cleanup basket. I put up my little thing that says read, and I put up some of my classroom center signs and navigation. And I made sure all my teacher buckets had what they needed. I'm pretty sure they all do. I'm pretty sure they all have scissors, and put up some shapes posters. Put some things on my windowsills. I love rainbows. These are my little literacy friends that I just always have up here. They're so cute. They make me smile. My rainbow tape, pocket chart. I'm still deciding some things. I have decided I am not changing that bulletin board paper. I am changing this bulletin board paper. I'll do that next time. I have new door decor. I've got one little part of it right there. So that little sign's gonna change every single month, and I have these cute little suns that I'm gonna put up and put my kids' pictures. I got rid, there was this giant Lego organizer thing right there that I thought I would use because I love Legos, and I thought, oh, I'll use this. No, I don't wanna use it. It's too big. Still don't know what I'm doing with this area. I cleaned out these 2 little bins, kind of set up my desk, kind of set up my desk drawer a little bit. Got my little bucket out there. I'm getting there, you guys. I still look at my linear calendar It is not even close to straight, so I've got to definitely put that up. But you guys, I am so busy. I am doing so many things. I don't think I'm going to change these two bulletin boards either. So in this room, changing the big one. That's it. And I should change this one because it is so faded. But those are my guides, man. Those let me know where my posters go. I don't want to change them. Oh, I did put some shape posters up, but you guys, look. This was my old writing center. Still not sure what I'm gonna do with that. Right now it's just full of Play-Doh stuff. It used to be right next to my math center, so I had my pentagon and my heart poster there. I guess I could do the same thing. Let's see. Yeah, I'll just tape them onto that. But you guys, it's the writing center that makes me so stinking happy. Bring a little chick home. Yeah, it's coming along. My new principal came down and said hi to me today. She was a middle school teacher at our school, so I'm super excited. I don't have to get used to somebody new. But biggest deal, labeling in the writing center. Labeled a little bit of that too. To finish filming in my classroom, but that was kind of day 2.5. I labeled everything and really spent a lot of time doing some organization and consolidation. Because my classroom is pretty much ready to go, I can spend a little bit more time on organizing things. The next time I go to my classroom, however, I am going to repaper those bulletin boards and get things really close to finished. I leave for a week next Friday, so I want to have almost everything done so that my professional development and meetings, we have a new principal this year, so there's probably going to be a lot more, just won't get in the way of all the things that I have to do, and I'll actually be able to only work my contract hours. But you guys, I've really only spent 2 big chunks of time in my classroom so far. So it shows you what you can get done if you are prepared. So getting prepared on the front end always helps you on the back end. But more is coming, and I will hopefully see you this weekend.